It's a 2012 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, rear parking sensors, driver memory seats, power heated mirrors, integrated navigation system, power sliding and tilting sunroof, remote engine start, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports GM has carved out good space inside a tidy package and fitted the Terrain with very comfortable front bucket seats and a rear bench with enough support. GMC, professional grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. Take it for a test drive today.
From sales to service to parts and collision repair, call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 1701 North Mitchell Street in Cadillac, Michigan.